Well, hey everybody, it's Sean. Welcome back. Today's project is going to be replacing the high pressure pump on Eric's, what year is this?
07.
It's his 07 Sky. He started throwing a P0067 code indicating low fuel rail pressure. And we've experienced this before in my mom's 07 GXP. So he went ahead and ordered a new high pressure pump. And you got it from where?
ZZP.
What did it cost you?
Oh, $180.
Yeah, boy, you can spend it upwards of like 500 and plus
$600 for the Bosch.
for one of these pumps. But we actually had good luck. We've had good luck with my mom's ZZP pump. That's what I put in. Gosh, what? Back in 2018, I think. So it's been quite a few years. So first thing that we're gonna have to do is just pop this cowling, move it back a little bit because the pump is right here. There's a bolt right here. I have to pop this off, take this off here, get that cover off. One. This is why you gotta take the cowl off.
Yeah, it looks like it's loose.
Yeah, I think we just need to move that back.
It's down on the bottom. There you go. Perfect.
So this clip right here, there's a tab right there. You really got to push up on that to get that off. Little insulated cover. Ta-da! So once we got this disconnected, there's a bolt here, a bolt here. Of course, we've got to uncrack the lines here and here. And first thing we want to probably do is release the pressure in the system.
Got a rag.
There we go. Probably good. So it's a 17 millimeter. I never did pop that clip off because the wire loom is still clipped to the back of that bracket, but just need to move it out of the way. 1, 2. Now those two 10 millimeter bolts. There. Ta-da! Okay, just put a little dab of oil on this gasket to lube it up. Eric's wiped down the gasket that came off. We're going to just go ahead and reuse this gasket because the new pump didn't come with one. We've got the gasket set up. We're going to try to fish this in here. Of course, we got to fight a little bit with the this. That. Try to get in the hole.
It just turned off again.
Is it red?
A little red dot.
Yeah. No, it's going. Your screen's just, it's recording.
Okay.
All right. Big question is, what are these supposed to be torqued to? Did you look that up?
I did not.
And did you bring the book?
I did not.
I guess we'll have to try
Very prepared this morning.
to Google it. It's that point where we need to decide what we're supposed to torque those to.
So we're gonna look it up.
So we'll have to look it up. While Eric is looking that up, don't want to strip these out either. That seems to be going on just fine.
Saturn Sky high pressure fuel pump.
And bottom one.
11 pounds.
11
foot-pound. 15 newtons.
Like I said, it's all right. So it's Eric looked it up. It's supposed to be torqued to 11 foot-pounds. I don't have a foot-pound torque wrench that goes that low. Mine goes down to 15, so it's 132 inch-pounds equals 11 foot-pounds.
Seems like a lot. Yeah, that's right.
There we go.
Right.
There we go. Click, click. Start, clip back on. The next step is our cover. Our insulator cover, because you know this thing is noisy as it is.
I love the sound of it though.
Yeah, it's so funny. Some people complain, oh, is there something wrong with my car? Or
It's like crickets.
when they hear that rattle of this pump. So we got that on. Now we just got to bolt our cover back on. Get our cover back here. Up. I can't do this with holding the light. Here, you want to hold the light?
Sure.
While I manipulate this bracket back where it goes. And it would make sense that if we got these two that are on the back side, this one
The OEMs.
should line right up, right? Dress up kit, bolt.
Come on, they're cool.
Hey, I agree. I don't know if I have mine. I don't know if I have one right there. Maybe. I don't remember. This line goes back on there like that, and then we just got to put the cowling back on.
Okay.
Here we go with the startup with the new fuel pump. Oh, drippy, drippy. Tick, tick, tick. All right, well, if you found the video helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. You may want to consider subscribing to this new channel because this is the kind of content we're going to have on it. Thanks for watching.